Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHN channel. In this video, let us clearly understand how to book Tirumala Angapradakshanam Darshan tickets with step-by-step instructions. Tirumala Angapradakshanam Darshan tickets are available only through online booking. These tickets can be booked either through the TTD mobile app or the TTD official website. Tickets for the entire month are released online 3 months in advance. For example, if you are planning to book a Darshan ticket for the month of June, the booking will open in the month of March itself. Let's see the step-by-step instructions on how to book these tickets. Before the booking time opens, make sure to log in using OTP on both the TTD mobile app and the official website at least 5 minutes in advance. You can also use multiple devices available at home such as mobile phone, laptop, desktop or tablet to increase your chances of getting tickets. These tickets are usually released at 10 am on the announced booking day. Exactly at 10 am, if you are using the TTD app, click on the Seva icon under Pilgrim Services and then select the Angapradakshanam option. If you are using the TTD website, you can directly click on the Angapradakshanam option under Pilgrim Services. Alternatively, you can click on the Please click here link provided next to the Angapradakshanam Darshan ticket notification under the latest updates section in TTD's website. Once you click, you will be placed in a virtual queue. If you are logged in on multiple devices using the same mobile number, you must close the devices that show a longer waiting time. Proceed only with the device that has the shortest waiting time and close all others. Otherwise, an error stating multiple login with the same mobile number may occur as shown on your screen. If you are using different mobile numbers on different devices, there will be no issue. Now patiently wait until the timer reaches 0. As soon as the timer ends, the calendar for the selected booking month will open. Angapradakshanam tickets are usually not available on Fridays as Abhishekam is performed for Lord Balaji on that day. On Saturdays, only 500 tickets are released for booking, whereas on all other days, 750 tickets are made available every day. Now, select your preferred date, choose the number of tickets and pick the Darshan time slot. A minimum of 1 and a maximum of 2 Angapradakshanam tickets can be booked using a single mobile number login. The default Darshan time slot for Angapradakshanam is 1 am for everyone, so select it and click on the continue button. On the next page, the details you selected on the first page will be displayed at the top. Below that, you will find section to enter pilgrim details and general details. To fill in these details quickly and without mistakes, you can use the mobile clipboard option or the notepad copy-paste method. This helps you complete the process faster and increases your chances of successfully securing the ticket. A video link explaining how to use these options in detail is available in the first comment of the video section. Indian residents can book tickets only using an Aadhaar card as ID proof. Only NRI pilgrims must use the passport option and NRIs who are booking tickets must fill in all the additional details as shown in the video. Therefore, keep all required information ready before starting the booking process. Those booking tickets using a passport must carry a valid visa copy along with their passport on the day of Darshan. Make sure to carefully fill in all the details as they cannot be changed after booking. Once all the details are filled in, click on the continue button. On the next page, all the details you entered in the previous pages will be displayed. Below that, you will find the book now button. Click on it and proceed with booking your ticket. Once the booking is successful, a confirmation page will appear. You will see a download button there which you can use to download your ticket. You can also download your ticket later from the booking history section by selecting the Angapradakshanam link. Additionally, we already have a detailed video about the Angapradakshanam Seva on our channel. You can refer to it for more information. I hope this video has clearly explained all the details related to Angapradakshanam ticket booking. Wishing you all a very happy darshan of Tirupati Balaji. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues so they can also benefit from this information. Thank you for watching and we will meet again in another useful and informative video.